Okay, we're headed back on the other side of Decatur to pick up a red C10 that has Plymouth Prowler wheels on it that someone had built in Dayton years ago. It's kind of bobbed like you would a Toyota rock crawler. The bed's cut on the wrong end, and man, my phone mount really sucks. Well, I ended up not getting any video because of a phone call I had to take, so I got quite a few pictures. The truck's actually super clean, has factory air, 454, 400 turbo, 2-wheel drive. Super clean truck. Have no idea why it was cut the way it was cut. It makes between the cab and the wheel look 10 miles long. I found out recently that it is actually set on a different frame. Got a regular bed. It's getting painted at the moment, so I'll have an update on it soon. Looks super good after it was cleaned up in the last few pictures. But got a new logo. Hopefully have some new things to offer as far as maybe some stickers and a shirt if anyone's interested in those. Still trying to get the hang of all this and really enjoying doing this, and I appreciate all the new subscribers. If you don't mind sharing, liking, I'll take any suggestions, anything you'd want to see more of, less of. I mean, really, you know, it's about what you guys want to see, and I would be happy to try to do more. But once again, I appreciate you watching, and thanks for everyone that's took an interest, because like I said, it's really been a fun deal, and thank you very much.